I'm myself Devaraj, Joint Director from MSME-Development and Facilitation Office, Bengaluru. I represent Ministry of MSME, Government of India. We are here to promote the schemes that has been launched by Ministry of MSME, that is ZED certification and lean manufacturing systems. Basically, ZED is for the zero defect components and zero effect on the environment. This program was launched in the year 2017, and as on today, Karnataka has got around 68,500 certifications in the ZED, which covers both the management and the environmental certifications. I congratulate Alliance University for getting partnered with the Government of Karnataka and Government of India in sensitizing all the micro, small and medium enterprises.
Hi, I'm Suneel Kumar, Joint Director, Department of Industry and Commerce, Government of Karnataka. We had conducted awareness on ZED and Lean program for the benefit of the MSMEs, Bangalore District. I really thank Alliance University who have taken efforts within a short period to mobilize 100+ entrepreneurs to attend and make use of the program.